Hello, my good people. Welcome to my Facebook page. This is Sichamba Jacob. All right, so we've got this question over here where we've been asked to find the value of x. So if you can see nicely, what do we have over here? This is the quadratic equation because of power 2. So the first thing must be to check if this quadratic equation is in standard form. So before you solve, before you do anything, check, is it in standard form? So the standard form looks like this. We've got a x power 2 plus b x plus c is equal to a 0. So this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. But if you can see nicely the way it looks, it's not in standard form. We need to have a 0 to one side of the equation. Okay. So this one, we're going to write it like this in this form. So it will be 2x power 2. We subtract 6 from both sides. So it will be minus 6. Also 3 minus 3. And a 0 will remain with a 0. Okay. So in this case, you can say it's now in standard form. So when you've put it in standard form like this, what other thing are you supposed to think about? Methods of solving it. So what method can we use here? The method that can be used here is the quadratic formula method. So let me just write the quadratic formula here. So for quadratic formula, we've got x is equal to negative b plus or minus root over b squared minus 4ac over 2a, like that. So this is the standard, the quadratic formula. After putting, now write this the quadratic formula, okay? So now, after writing this, you go back to your equation. Check, where is our a here? This is our a. So in case you didn't know, this is our b and this is our c. So now let me explain on how you get to know the the coefficients or the numbers that you need to deal with. So where there is a power 2, the coefficient on a number that is in front, it's your a. Where there is x, the number that is in front is your b. Where there is negative 3, that's your c. Okay? Without or a number without a letter, it's your c. So we just plug these in our formula. What is our b? Our b is the negative what? Negative 6. Now, check here. This is where people make a lot of mistakes. Have you seen the way I've written here? There is this negative from the formula, you maintain it, and there is also a negative from 6. So it's supposed to be negative 6, like this. And then you say plus or minus square root over negative 6. So whichever number has got a negative sign, put it inside the brackets. You say minus a 4 right here. On A, it's a 2. And then here, it's a negative what? Negative 3. You say over 2 and a 2 here. Because A is a 2, like that. So we've put it now, or we've fused it in or plugged it in our quadratic formula. The next thing will just be to simplify. Negative and negative is positive, plus or minus. Here when we work out, this will give us 36. This will give us positive 24. Yes, positive 24. So 24 plus 36, that is 60. It's giving us a square root over 60. We say over a 4. Okay, this 4 right here. This 2 times 2 is giving us a 4. Now from this stage, you can separate them. We've got 6 plus square root over 60 over 4, or 6 minus square root over 60 over a 4. So we solve this. You punch this on your calculator, and when you punch this, automatically you are getting a 13.6 7 4 5 9 6 6 6 9. You say over, okay, over what? See? Over a 4. For this one also, when you punch this one, okay, or let me put O here. When you punch on your calculator, you get negative 7, I mean negative 1. This is negative 1 actually, 0.7 4 5 9 6 6 6 9 2. You say over a 4. Okay. So now here, the final part, you work out here, you're going to get your answer to be 3.1, I mean 3.44. This is in 2 decimal places. And then this also is giving us a negative 0.44, like this. These are the 2 solutions. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share this video if you think you've benefited and you like it. Please share it for me and leave a comment in the comment section below. These are the few steps that you can be following for you to answer any question on quadratic equation. Okay, step number 1, put it in standard form. This is a standard form. Step number 2, write the quadratic formula. Number 3, plug in the values in the quadratic formula. Number 4, work out inside the root here. This is what we have. Number 5, you separate them like this, and then you solve just like that. This is how it works. Thank you, and bye-bye.